pieces of equipment that we use to communicate with our horse: the halter, the bridle, and the saddle. In this lesson, we're going to talk about the halter. A halter is a bitless harness. Halters can be made out of leather, like this one, or synthetic material, rope, or cloth. The halter is placed on the horse's head, and we use it to lead the horse around from the stall or pasture to the grooming area, or to lead him around. The halter can also be used for exercising your horse. For example, when you lunge your horse. And some people also ride their horses in a halter, although I'm not sure I would recommend that. The halter is connected to a lead rope. The lead rope is a strong rope, usually made out of cotton, about 6 feet or 2 meters long, that we use to lead the horse around. Now I will show you how to put the halter on your horse, with and without the snap. First, you open the door. Hi there, my friend Cortez. You always want to work on the left side of your horse. So I'm on the left side of Cortez, and I'm going to put the lead rope gently around his neck so that he knows that I have him. Then I'm going to hold the crown piece with my right hand and the nose band with my left hand. And I'm going to gently slide the nose band up over his nose and the crown piece up over his ears. Finally, I'm going to take the throat latch around his throat and attach the snap there. Now I'll gently take the lead rope off of his neck. I will make sure that the gate is nice and wide. It's very important that our horses don't get stuck in the gate. And I'm ready to lead him over to the grooming area. This is a leather halter and a modern halter. Most modern halters have a latch right here around the throat. Older halters do not have a snap. So you would unbuckle the crown piece. So if we wanted to do it with an older halter, we would slide the nose band up over his nose, gently flip the crown piece over his head, and then adjust your halter this way by latching the buckle there, making sure it's about 2 inches from his little cheek piece here, and then take my lead rope, and then now I'm ready to go lead my horse. Now let's review the parts of the halter. This is called the crown piece. This is the halter buckle. This is the halter snap. This is the horse's halter nameplate on the cheek piece. The nose band goes around his nose. This is called the chin strap, connecting strap, and the halter ring. The halter ring is where we attach the lead rope. This is the snap that is attached to the throat latch. Now that you know the names of the parts of the halter, let's take our lead rope and lead our horse to the grooming area. Now remember, you want to stay on the left side of the horse. The horse is on your right side. You want to hold the lead rope in 2 hands. Always be sure you can let go of the lead rope for safety. Never wrap the rope around your arm or wrist because you could be dragged. So those are some safety rules, and off we go to the grooming stall.